Hey everyone, Mama Moonstar. About 6:15 in the evening, July 17th, 2021 is Saturday evening. And I just can't believe all the rain we're still having. It's basically rained every day and night, and for the most part all day or night, since the 1st of July. Yes, here in the New York Finger Lakes. I just can't get over all the rain. Hope my New York Finger Lakes friends and upstate New York friends and surrounding areas are staying well, staying dry, and enjoying our mild New York temperatures of July despite the rain, even though it's not as warm as usual. Probably, I'd guess, up here in the hills, mid 60s, mid 70s, a few days around 80 degrees. It can be peaceful, it can be beautiful to see how green everything is out there. Yet I'm sure my local New York friends can agree that we could really use some bright summer sunshine. And my dog's shaking her head down there. I think she agrees too. Okay, well, this is Mama Moonstar. Enjoy the ducky duck weather.